Okay, so this is the first time I've ever made a video to review a product. I got this chainsaw and I was so excited. I probably looked at every chainsaw Amazon was on, and I chose this one because it had the fastest rate of speed, and speed equals power, right? So I get it in. Today's the first day I took it out, and right off the bat, I'm cutting small cedar limbs that are kind of closing over my driveway. So I get about 2 cuts, and then you have to stop and take this off and tighten the chain. There is a tension screw that's underneath it, but it doesn't work. It actually just floats in that channel and will slide back and forth. So it doesn't even catch it and hold it. So you have to do that. The first thing that broke on it was this. The cover, the guard that goes on it. And this actually got bent somehow, turned in, and was catching on the chain itself. It has a little screw and a nut that goes on here on the back side. You put your nut in there and put the screw right in there to hold it. But it will vibrate out about every 5 minutes of use. It doesn't matter how tight you think you have it, it vibrates off. And then this, which is the cap that goes over this, so you can actually take this off without having to use the screw to take that off, this fell off. So that really sucked. I was so very excited to get this chainsaw, and I thought I could do like all these great things with it. And one day of use, about 2 hours, and the whole thing just kind of fell apart. So I'm just really disappointed in the product. I had big hopes for it, and I thought I'd done all the research and found the very best one, and it turns out it just basically fell apart on the first use. So I wanted to share that info with people who are thinking about buying this. I hope you get a better one than I did. I guess it is what it is.
Okay, got my little mini chainsaw. Comes with a manual. Comes with some gloves. I have the actual little chainsaw, which is pretty cute. That's the chainsaw. And then it comes with a battery. It comes with glasses. 2 batteries, actually. This case. You have your plug-in. This is like a clip for something. And you have this little carrying pouch. In the pouch we have another little chain. And you have it says to tighten something. This is probably to brush the blades or whatever, and some oil. So let's see how this works.
get my face, put its face away. Where's that go? And I got my glasses on to protect. Grab the tree, Gabe. Gabe, I need you to grab the tree, please.
No, let it fall.
I don't want
It's a little tiny tree.
to fall on my head.
That's bigger branches.
Timber! And the wire. Ta-da!
All that wood on 2 power packs and still power to go.
You sure? You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, good.
So I just wanted to show, this thing actually cuts pretty good. The little HOPTO mini chainsaw. Yeah, does a pretty good job.
Good.
Holy cow!